Ivy Bird by Tanya McCartney and Jess Rocklift. When the sun comes up, Ivy wakes to tweets and cheeps. A little bit of seed and Ivy takes flight. For breakfast, she pecks in the sunshine. Ivy warbles. She's after the earlyworm. Foraging in cups of sweet nectar is followed by a little feather fluffing. When she jumps in the pond, the ducks are all in a row. Ivy is the very best paddler of them all. Lunch is very delicious. There are strawberries and blackberries and loganberries too. Ivy loves hide and seek. She finds the perfect hiding spot where everything is blooming and smells like perfume. Ivy likes shiny bits and pieces. She hides them under sticks and stones. It's her secret treasure nest. The most playful birds call their friends, then flap their wings, and play tag in the clouds. Ivy has a lovely voice. She can trill and chirp and peep and chatter, cackle, tweet, and squawk. All the birds join in. After dinner, the bird bath is filled, and a bright little chick splashes the day away. When the sun goes to bed, Ivy's eyes are wide. She hoots in the dark. The moon sails high, and it's time to settle in her nest. After all, every little bird needs a place to call home.